Can you imagine waking up and not being able to turn on the tap to get clean drinking water? This is the critical challenge facing over 490 million people worldwide who still use unsafe water obtained from unprotected wells, springs, and surface water. Approximately 829,000 people die each year, and over 800 children under the age of 5 die every day from diarrhea as a result of unsafe drinking water, poor sanitation, and hygiene. Take, for example, Chikuwi village, situated in the Makado local municipality in the Limpopo province of South Africa.
The water that we are using is not purified, really contaminated.
We are forced to go with our own quality water at school.
There is no availability of water in the street. We get water especially during rain times. There are 6 boreholes, out of which 2 are functional. The rest are not working.
Only 2 are being used.
Yeah.
Why only 2?
After testing was not conducive for human consumption. She says all as she is, she's unable to carry a water container on her head. Sometimes she's forced to sleep in the neighborhood. There are many vehicles that go there and queue in order to get water. Sometimes you can wait for the whole day to get water from a vendor and didn't get it. She says she goes to money lenders, wherein she get money which she will repay thereafter in order to can buy water. Immediately after finishing up a gallon or a drum, which we have bought from the vendors, we are forced to buy. A drum is costing 60 rands nowadays. 1 drum can only last for 2 days.
Well, what if we told you there is a cheaper, efficient and sustainable approach to providing safe drinking water to communities such as this? Introducing to you Project Tujenge by the students of University of Pretoria. Our team has designed an environmentally friendly plasma unit that can be used in this village or any other villages facing such challenges to provide clean and safe drinking water to the people. The system is portable, affordable and is solar powered, hence can be deployed in remote villages with no access to electricity. This water treatment system uses plasma, a fourth state of matter, to disinfect and eliminate microorganisms without the use of additives. The system comprises of a voltage power supply, a stainless steel electrode to generate an electric field, a reactor in which electrons attack gas mixtures to generate ions and radicals that degrade pollutants within the water, and a pump to circulate the water.
Project Tujenge addresses Goal 1, end poverty in all its forms everywhere through the provision of safe basic services such as clean water. Goal 3, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages by reducing the mortality rate and illnesses related to the consumption of unsafe water, unsafe sanitation, and lack of hygiene. Goal 6, clean water and sanitation by purifying the water that is otherwise undrinkable and providing equitable access to safe and affordable drinking water. Goal 7 and 13, by taking action to combat climate change and its impact through the usage of renewable and sustainable energy and non-chemical processes.
Raw water was drawn from a borehole in Chikuwi village, South Africa, Limpopo, and it was subjected to 10 minutes of plasma treatment time to make it safe for drinking. To demonstrate the simplicity of this process unit, the power supply is switched on to have the plasma discharge directed into the raw water. After 10 minutes of treatment time, an analysis of contaminants is carried out in an analytical lab. The raw and the treated water was tested in a laboratory to assess the effectiveness of the plasma unit in improving water quality.
The unit is affordable and it can be used at the community level and in private facilities. The current tested laboratory prototype costs $1,400, which can treat 120 liters of water in 4 hours in an off-grid situation. The energy required for this process is similar to what is required by an incandescent bulb. This system would ensure that rural communities in grid-deprived areas have access to clean and safe drinking water, leading to improved quality of life and improved public health with minimal environmental pollution and land degradation.